It's been almost 6 years since we started talking about it. So our customers a few years ago brought us kind of the problem of, what they're facing in these deeper set wells. And so we've been talking about designing the rig for a few years, and our intention was to keep it as simple as we could. And it's been a bigger project than that. Obviously, we've had a lot of challenges that we didn't anticipate. Currently, there's nothing like this rig for setting deeper set surfaces, the 500-ton capacity rig. This thing has been completely purpose-built and custom designed for these deeper projects and getting our customers off critical path. The way that the oil field has been looked at prior is more of exploration, chasing new wells, new opportunities. Now it's moving into the manufacturing phase. And so it's harder for our customers to find ways, their efficiencies. They've, for the most part, found them. There's no more low-hanging fruit. And so with this rig, essentially, we can take a part of their problem and simplify it, reduce the risk, reduce the cost, and make the rest of their process more efficient. Without a new rig or a new design, they can't even explore changing their process. Now that they have this, they can change the way they incorporate a bigger drilling rig versus this intermediate rig versus our small surface rig. Now they have more tools in their toolkit, essentially. We collectively kind of went back as the service provider with our customers and to the state of North Dakota to get them to approve this part of this process for the well. Previously it didn't exist because there wasn't a piece of equipment that could complete this part. And therefore, it opens up a new market that doesn't currently exist for us. And there's no service provider that can offer the same kind of offering that we do. The opportunity is kind of yet to be understood or realized. All the vertically integrated parts of our company that touch each other, this opens up a window of opportunity for us to do more of that. When we started in casing, it was, you should just stick to running pipe, kid. You don't know how to drill a well. And why are you getting into rat hole? So then we do rat hole, which is the initial hole on a well. And then we come in with the surface rig. From one thing led to the other. And hey, this makes sense for our customers to do a cradle to grave, from conductor to completions of this surface well or saltwater well. And then this opportunity happens to just bolt onto that. Is like, hey, how do we take it the next step further and tie all these things together and solve this problem as a project problem? We're not looking at it per well, we're looking at it per pad, per project, and how do we cut down our exposure to our customers? We had to take a step backwards for a moment to move forwards, but now that we've regrouped, we have a much better product and design than we started with. So it kind of goes, you got to be able to fail fast too, and if you fail, you make adjustments and move forward. And through that failure, now here we are, and we think that we have a much better rig design than we started with. We have 11 different product lines in the business, so we have a lot of experience. 3,000 prior wells setting surface gave us a lot of insight, on what we needed to develop to get to this point. As a company, we're always seeking out kind of problems and trying to come up with the solutions. And just a be the best, lead the industry kind of mentality.